My name's Mark Hanna. Now, you might remember me from all those late night commercials for the Hair Club for Men. Yeah, maybe not. It might have been for all those late night infomercials for six-pack abs. Maybe not. Do you remember me from selling high-tech computer gear from years ago on TV?
Atari or in television. Invest in the wonder computer of the 1980s for under $300. The Commodore VIC-20. Unlike games, it has a real computer keyboard.
Maybe not. You might remember me from taking the initiative in creating the internet.
I took the initiative in creating the internet.
Don't make me laugh.
No, not really. Wasn't me. Well, maybe you remember me as a professional poker player who played in the World Series of Poker and was dared to do the worm in the aisleway.
Good times at the WSOP. Yes! 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 Get it! Yes! Woo! Ship it! Yes! Yes, dude! Yes, that's awesome! Yes! Doesn't get any better than that. Woo!
Yeah, that was me. But for $500, I'll do the worm and let him film it. Of course, I was sore for 2 days. 2 days. Could hardly move. I was not meant to do the worm. Welcome to Plan, Pack, Travel. Embrace the chaos. Hi, I'm Mark Hanna. If you've been here before, welcome back. It's highly doubtful. The day I'm recording this, it's highly doubtful because this channel is brand new. A few people know about it, but it's brand new. Today's June 28th, 2022. I'm using this video to be an introduction to the channel, and it's going to be a short one. On January 22nd, 2021, 18 months ago, I made a decision to slow travel the world out of suitcases, selling everything I own of value in the United States, keeping only some keepsakes that could fit in a half of a car trailer or less than half of a car trailer. It took 18 months and a detailed plan to put this into action. I sit here today on June 28th, 2022, 18 months later, awaiting a flight. Maybe you're still currently in it. Armageddon is going on in the United States. Every day, 1,000 flights, 2,000 flights are canceled, 4,000 flights are delayed. Pilots aren't available, flight crews aren't available, people to park the planes aren't available, people to put the luggage in aren't available, air traffic controllers aren't showing up. It's Armageddon. People go for a nonstop 2-hour flight from Cincinnati to Orlando for Disneyland. It takes them 15, 16 hours, sometimes even the next day to get there because their flight was delayed, then canceled, and put on a new one, but it's canceled. A friend of mine just had that experience. I am here awaiting. In about 6 days, I am leaving the country for a destination yet to be told. And I'm actually in Texas. Now, why am I in Texas? From Cincinnati, Ohio, where I sold all that stuff, and where I sold my car last week, you can go to two destinations internationally nonstop. Just 2. But from Dallas airports, you can go to 56 or 58 destinations internationally nonstop. With Armageddon in the United States, if you're going to fly internationally and have a stopover and a change of plane somewhere else in the United States to get out of the country, there's a darn good chance that the plane that gets you to the next stop is either delayed or canceled, which causes you to miss your exiting plane out of the country. So in lieu of that, I decided to take my time and get to Texas and then make a plan to get out of the United States non-stop to a destination outside the United States. So now this channel is going to have two different aspects to it. In the beginning, I'm going to answer a lot of the questions on what I had to go through and what I planned back in January 22nd as my plan B to be able to slow travel the world. It includes some interesting things that you might not know, but it wasn't easy. It was the toughest thing I've ever done, the most stressful thing I've ever done. And I couldn't be happier that I've done it. I could not be happier. The other part is I am going to be vlogging, and I've already started. I've got a lot of footage of where I've went since I left Cincinnati and what I went through. And I'm going to be putting that video out on how I got down to Texas. And then I'm going to be vlogging my trips abroad. And once I land in a place, my initial plan is 30 days exploring a new location. We're going to find the food and the culture and the accommodations and the transportation. And we're going to embrace the chaos and embrace the uncertainty that comes with it of each place. Now, I may move from that place to another place within the same country if the country's big enough and has other places I'm interested in. Or I may just take a boat, a ferry, plane, a bus, a train, who knows what, to the next country. And everything will be an adventure. It will be the unknown. And I will embrace that chaos and videotape it for you, whether it is to live vicariously in another place and explore another place through my eyes, or whether you're actually considering someday to do more international travel. You don't have to do slow travel the world forever. You may just see someplace I'm at and say, that place is cool. Why don't we plan our next vacation there? And then you can use that information that I've given you on places to stay, things to see, food to eat, places to shop, the local points of interest. And you may just do a vacation for a few weeks and then go back to your home country, wherever that is. So this is a brand new channel. I put a lot of effort into trying to learn how to do this well, but this isn't my best effort right now. It's just an introduction. So follow me for how I plan to get out of the United States and to slow travel the world on a longer term basis, good Lord and health willing. Or follow me because of the places I go are possibly cool that you'd like to visit, and perhaps I can give you the perspective of a solo nomad traveler who happens to be 67 years old. Now, there's a lot of videos out there from younger people who are traveling the world and experience the dream, and they're doing stuff that the average guy my age probably isn't going to be able to do. They're hiking to a height in a mountain and climbing cliffs and doing things that people our age don't do. Now, I might get some younger viewers too, but there's going to be other channels on YouTube or on Facebook or on TikTok or Instagram that are going to be better at the high action adventure. I'm going to be more the, hey, old guy does world guy. So please, if you like the content I push that little like button because that'll help it get shared. I have another channel, the Mark Hanna channel, and one video, because a few people pushed the like button, I had only 23 subscribers on that channel, and I posted one educational video, and 55,000 people watched it, and over 300 people decided to subscribe. And I'm hoping that I get a little bit of growth on this channel. But I'm really doing this channel, friends and family can follow along and see what the difference is. This is just the introduction video. This is the kickoff. This is nothing special. There'll be single topic videos that are going to be following on a regular basis, and even a more regular basis as I get better at it. Yeah, what can you do? You just live, learn, experience. Live, learn, earn, and prosper. Embrace the chaos. Embrace the uncertainty. Live life in the moment every day. Nothing's promised to you. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.